Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video will be Hong Kong Convention. So if we have a look at the origin of this convention, it lies in the fact that shipping industry is one of the most polluting industries, and it's also one of the most hazardous industries to work for workers. At the same time, the Sustainable Development Goals also focuses on responsible consumption. So therefore, it has been universally recognized that recycling of ships is the way to go forward in order to ensure that shipping industry consumes less raw materials. So Hong Kong Convention focus on this aspect of responsible consumption, but it also takes into account the plight of the workers who are working in the shipping industry. However, this multilateral convention is yet to enter into force. Recently, India signed this convention. One more important fact from prelims point of view is it is overseen by International Maritime Organization. There are 3 points that are emphasized in this Hong Kong Convention. All of them relate to the health and safety of the workers working in the shipbreaking industry. Shipbreaking industry is one of the major industries in Gujarat. So it is very much relevant for our Indian context because India almost has a monopoly in shipbreaking industry. Nearly 30% of the market is captured by Indian shipbreaking industries. So in such a scenario where there are unacceptably high level of fatalities, injuries as recognized by the International Labour Organization, Hong Kong Convention becomes very important. Similarly, we don't see any protective gear given to the workers working in this industry. That is why it becomes all the more important. Another issue that has been highlighted is that most of the workers are exposed to large amounts of cancerous materials like asbestos, chlorofluorocarbons, etc. So this type of materials are known to cause certain cancers like mesothelioma and lung cancer. What is mesothelioma? Most of the internal organs are covered by a thin layer of tissue called mesothelium. So most of the organs, when exposed to this type of cancerous cells, the lining gets destroyed and the internal organs gets affected. The most important organ that is affected by this mesothelioma is the lungs and chest wall, and the causative agent is asbestos. Now let us have a look at the question. Consider the following statements about Hong Kong Convention. India signed it but did not ratify it. Is this statement true? This statement is false because in November 2019, India ratified this convention. So the world's largest shipbreaking country has ratified the Hong Kong Convention. The second statement, India is recognized as the world leader with 30% share in shipbreaking industry. This statement is also right, as already mentioned in the previous slides. So both 1 and 2 are right, therefore option C is the right answer. Now regarding question number 2, I have already made a passing reference about this question. So please pause the video and comment about the place where shipbreaking industry is located at. The largest shipbreaking industry is present in which of the following states? That is the question. Please comment your answer in the comment box below and also post your explanation. Thanks for watching this video. Please stay tuned to watch more such videos in the future.